facing the ocean. They know where their natural amenities are.
Istanbul,
Exploit it.
From the town of
Katakali. Kali.
Kilid Bahir. So, following parang provincial road.
It's a very nice place.
Magto-turn left tayo, na?
Very
Pabalik Istanbul mo doon. Okay, what is this place?
Ganda. Wait, we didn't have a picture there, oh.
Hindi tayo pinadaan mo yun for isang makawan mo yun.
It's a very nice town. Very clean, organized. It's not so...
Hindi pinadaan, no?
Compare mo dun sa other side.
Maka-diversion to Anya from mas mabilis.
Are we going home na?
Gusto mo dumaan
Another
sa
side
coastal
pa.
natin.
Yung kanina may ano dun may... But I don't know if you can park there.
I think pwede dumaan tayo sa coastal eh. I think this diversion, the fastest to eh.
Wala, baka kasi may reason eh. Kasi
Hindi.
tan mo, may arrow na ganun. Kita mo lang. Go back.
Diba?
Let's try it and then go back if not. You can just U-turn.
But this is the fastest eh, kasi ito yung copa nila.
Very nice town. I would rather live here than the other side, Hannah. What do you think, Hannah? This is more my scene. This is more my scene than the other side.
It's their biggest city, this one.
Who? This one?
Ano ba?
Yeah, it's so touristy. Pero local tourists sila.
Ito tayo dumaan kanina. Left lahat, no?
Yeah. Unless you park there, unless we just
malusutan natin. Okay, sakyan mo, no? Airport na. This is coastal na side. Kung daan ka dito, mabagal
You can park
talaga.
here, oh, Papa.
Hindi, kaya nga, kung dito ka
maganda
mabagal
tayo.
lang.
Ayan.
Pero maganda siya.
Video ka, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm taking a video. This one's nice, no? You can have a picture there, sana. Ganda ng coastal road nila.
Speed
No?
limit, 30.
Okay na.
It's okay na.
You can just drive around, not to get down anymore. If you don't have time.
Kapat mo lang mga tag 3 minutes na.
It's still 250. Ganda, oh.
Inagawan tayo.
Just go slow lang.
Slow lang.
Ito naman, may mga vendors. Maybe pag... Pero ano eh, alikabok na yung kanilang...
This is the city.
Oh, nice! Look at that, oh.
Ano yun?
Parang nire-enact nila yung ano.
Ayun, no?
Yung battle, yes.
Hindi, no?
We get down, can we park?
Hindi.
Hindi, okay, never mind.
Walang parking eh. Sakyan road.
Sige lang. Okay na, I got it naman on video. Oh, look at that, it's nice, oh. I think we should get off here and take a picture.
Wala.
Wala. Okay, never mind. I just turn it off na.
Then diretso tayo dito. Paano talaga?